Should India go beyond the 50% reservation cap? What if equality itself needs redefining? Stay with me for the next 2 minutes as we unravel what Articles 15 and 16 guarantee. How recent news is shaking up the quota game and whether reservations are the exception or the true continuation of equality of opportunity. What the Constitution guarantees is Article 15 prohibits discrimination by the state on grounds like caste, religion, sex, etc. Article 16 guarantees equality of opportunity in public employment, but both also allow the state to make special provisions for the socially and educationally backward classes, SCs and STs. This is where reservation comes in. Formal equality versus substantive equality. Formal equality equates to treating everyone the same, regardless of the background. Substantive equality accounting for historical disadvantage, giving differential support, reservations are a tool for this. The judicial precedents and legal caps. Balaji versus State of Mysore 1962 held that reservations must be within reasonable limits, generally under 50%. The Indira Sane 1992 reaffirmed 50% ceiling, introduced creamy layer for OBCs. The State of Punjab versus Davinder Singh 2024, the Supreme Court allowed sub-classification within SC and ST and raised the question of creamy layer for SC/ST. Recent events and debates. Telangana has just passed bills removing the 50% reservation cap in local bodies. The backward classes will get 42% reservation in panchayat elections. Karnataka government plans to increase reservation limits beyond the 50% cap following a fresh caste census. Bihar's opposition has proposed raising reservations to 85%, triggering debate, challenges and points of contention. How do you ensure that benefits reach the truly marginalized subcaste rather than just the relatively advantaged within reserved categories? Creamy layer issue for OBC status, yes. For SCs, STs, SC, Supreme Court has suggested to explore it. What about unfilled reserved seats? Many reserve posts still remain vacant. That suggests implementation gaps. Yes, there are strong arguments for exceeding 50% in certain scenarios, especially to deliver substantive equality. But Constitution guarantees judicial precedents and concerns like administrative capacity, merit, and fairness impose limits. The possible way forward includes accurate data like the caste census, sub-categorization, extending creamy layer where appropriate, explicit defining who gets what kind of reservation so that the most deprived benefit. If you believe equality isn't just formal, if you think reservation needs reform, not removal, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Should the 50% cap go, or do we need smarter reservation? Not more. I'll see you in the next one.